Hello students, I am your Jaya ma'am and today we are here to complete the chapter that we started in the previous video, Computer, a Smart Machine. Children, in the previous video we studied that a computer is an electronic machine and it makes our work very easy. It is a machine that helps us to do any kind of work like listen to music, watch movies, play games, etc. Then children, we studied that what are the differences between humans and computers. After that we studied the types of computers, whether there are desktop computers, palm tops, laptops, tablet computers. Then today in this video children, we will study how do we start or shut down a computer. Now since it is an electronic machine, there is a process to start it. So let us first see how do we start a computer. Children, this is the main switch. So first of all we switch on the switch and then children, this is the UPS. We come here and we switch on the UPS. We see a green light which shows that UPS has been switched on. Children, after that this is the CPU and we press this button and we again see a green light over here which shows that CPU has been switched on. Children, after that we press on the button here on the monitor which will make your monitor switch on. Children, then here comes your screen and we press any key over here. Now this screen that you can see, this is called the desktop, and small things that you are able to see, these are called icons. Okay, these icons have things that you have already stored in your computer. Children, you can go to any of the icon and see what is there in this. Like for suppose I will click on to this icon and let's see what's inside. See, we clicked on that icon and we are able to see what is inside it. So this is a picture. Now children, since you have seen how do we switch on the computer, now let us also see how do you shut down a computer. Now shutting down means switching off your computer. Now for that we go on to the left corner side and this is called the start menu. Okay, so we click here and we see in the lower bottom we see a button which says power. We click on that and you have three options here. To shut down your PC, you will click on to the shutdown button and see your computer is shutting down. It's that easy. You switch off the monitor's button followed by your UPS button, and then finally you switch off the power supply. Now children, since we have seen how to shut down and start a computer, the last thing that we have to study is that booting process. Children, a booting process is a process in which when you start a computer, all the things that you've already stored into the computer gets into the memory automatically, and the first screen which I told you is the desktop appears. So this process is called booting process. So children, that's all for today and we have successfully completed chapter 1. I hope that you've understood it well. Take care and bye bye.